So welcome guys to this new lecture. We're continuing learning Binyan Paal. So we learned regular Paal verbs, and in this section we're going to learn about Ot Shoresh Rishona Gronit. First root letter is Guttural. Ot Shoresh Rishona Gronit, when the first root letter of the verb is one of the four guttural letters. And I remind you the letters Aleph, Chet, Hey, and Ein. Verbs like la'avod, a verb that we already know, the verb to work, contains the root letters Ein, Bet, Dalet. La'azor, to help, contains the root letters Ein, Zain, Resh. Le'echol, to eat, Aleph, Chaf, Lamed. And lachazor, to come back, Chet, Zain, Resh. So those are actually verbs that we are perfectly familiar with from the previous section. So we are going to see what happens when the first letter of the root is guttural. Well, I can tell you from now that essentially in the past and in the present tense, besides the infinitive, nothing really changed. Because we saw verbs like lilmod, liskor, livdok, lilbosh, lichtov. So this is the infinitive pattern of them. And the only thing that changed here is the infinitive. La'avod, la'azor, and when the aleph is the first letter, so it's le'echol. And when it's a chet, sometimes we can say lachazor or lachzor, because we do hear it. So nevertheless, that's it for this lecture, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.